You can know what stocks are going to go up before they actually go up. What's going on, traders? My name is John Coda. It's my job to make you into a profitable day trader. We're going to break down 3 of the stocks most likely to go up tomorrow right here. Welcome to the channel. Let's get right into it, crew. To start off, stock number 1 is HLBZ. HLBZ. So this stock gapped up quite a bit. That gap continued into the day. And now we're looking at the stock actually staying in the upper 50% of the trading range intraday. That is powerful. That's a really big sign that the stock is going to continue upward throughout the day. We actually got in the aftermarket a huge push upward all the way from 150 all the way to 222. So that's about a 25 to 50% increase right there. That being said, that's in the past now. That already happened. So what are we going to do now? Well, there's 2 things that we can do when trading this stock. The first is to wait for a pullback and get an entry around 180 to 185 with a stop loss at 170 to 175. Okay, so we're risking about 10 to 15 cents there on that entry. That's going to be a dip buy depending on where the stock opens up tomorrow. Our second entry point is right above this $2.22 level. So we're waiting for the stock to make a new high before we actually get into the stock. We're going to set our stop loss at the $1.95 level on the breakout. That way, if the stock pulls back on the breakout, we let it retest the trading range before actually selling out, okay? And in that case, our profit target is going to be at $2.40. And if the $2.50 level is broken, then we can go for something like $2.95. So definitely some potential with HLBZ, HLBZ. When stocks go up as much as this stock has in a single day and then maintain that momentum, then the next day we're going to get at least a small push upward. However, if we don't get that small push upward, then we may actually get a doubling on this one. So in terms of stocks most likely to double, this would be one of them, HLBZ. You don't have to risk your entire account. You can risk maybe 15, 20 cents, get the dip entry, or wait for the stock to break above the 222 level and then sell before 260, possibly adding on the break of 260 in case the stock does double to the 230 to the $3 or $4 levels. Okay, so if you're in any of those stocks that have the potential to double your money in a single day, that stock is HLBZ. That stock is HLBZ. Now, the other scenario is the stock could just go flat tomorrow. I don't see that happening. I see in the first 30 minutes a big move being made with HLBZ. But if it does go flat, then it's best to leave it alone and wait for the next day. So that is HLBZ, but that's not even our best play. I'm going to save our best for last today. Our best play is going to be, well, it's going to be phenomenal. Okay, it's going to be the best one. Not just because it has a lot of profit potential, but because we have a fairly safe place to get in and we have good support. So you don't want to miss that. Also, if you feel like I'm doing a good job, if you feel like I'm really breaking down these stocks and helping you guys make some money, if you guys made money because of the stocks that I've been posting on here, which I put a lot of time into researching, I put hours into researching these and handpicking them so that you have the best chance of making money on the next day, then please like this video, subscribe, share it with a friend, and I'll be that will be helping me so much because I'm really dependent on you guys to get the word out about our stock trading course, about our stock trading channel, and about giving as much valuables as possible with helping others make money, helping others make money. That's really my mission, is to help others make as much money as possible. If I can do that, then I'm going to go to sleep really happy every single night. So here we go. Stock number 2 is DTC. Okay, so DTC, this one went up quite a bit. If we look on the hourly chart here, it is now gapped up and it has a clear level of support here. So if we can get in around this 560 level, then we are going to have very strong support at 545. So if we put our stop loss at 535, then chances are we're not going to get stopped out unless the trade fails. So what I really like about this one is the strong support. Whenever we break out and get this strong support, that is an extremely good sign for us, because what that means is that at that point, our potential is large, but our risk, how much we're actually risking in terms of if the trade doesn't go right, is minimal. And you always want to have as little risk as possible when placing your trades. You don't want to risk $1 or $5 on every trade. If you can risk 10 cents or 20 cents on your trades, then that's awesome, okay? And when we have a really clear level of support like this one, right below the level where we take our entry, then we can have that super clear level of support and we know whether or not the trade is working. And this is DTC, okay? So again, we have a few factors working for us here. The fact that it's in an uptrend, the fact that it's hovering above support here, and the fact that volume is coming into it. We also have earnings coming up in a few days. The fact that it's going up right before earnings shows us that people are bullish on this stock. They feel that the earnings are going to be good, that they're going to live up to their potential, or at least that they're going to do better than they did last time. So if people are feeling that way, if buyers and sellers are feeling that way, then that's going to shift the stock up so that it's more likely to go up tomorrow. And that is always very good for us. It's always very good for us. Definitely more interest coming into DTC than is normal. And so if you guys can get a good entry here at 556, stop loss at 545, or 545, it could be a good stop loss place for this one, then get in, because this could be potentially a very good trade. So DTC, HLBC, HLBZ, DTC, and now I did promise you guys that I would save the best for last. I promised you I would give you guys a really good stock to look at, one that's going to offer you a ton of income potential, and that stock for tomorrow is TOP. We got the bull flag forming on TOP, holding that strength really, really good. Upside potential, it's there. Upside potential is there. You can get $20, get out at $25 to $27, okay? So $5 to $7 increase on a $20 stock. So how much is that? Well, that's anywhere from 20 to 35% increase on 10K. That is $2,000 profit or $3,500 profit respectively. Where do we want to get into the stock? Well, we want to get in around $20, okay, right around $20, a stop loss at $19, okay, so we're risking about $1 to make $3 to $5. So we have that 3 to 5, 3x, 5x risk reward ratio that we like so much. When we're able to get a ratio like that, that's really the main determining factor with whether or not we're going to take these kind of trades, right? Because if we can risk a little tiny amount and then we can make a huge amount on the trade, then we are going to end up on the right side of that trade the majority of the time, right? So we want to get some confirmation with this stock. We want to see it either hesitate at the 1877 level or push past this $22 level real strong, okay? We don't have to get the perfect entry. We are not perfect. We don't have to get the perfect entry. That's why we have a stop loss that gives us some room, okay? So if we get in at $20, awesome. $20 is a great place to get in. Give ourselves about $1, about $1 of leeway in case the stock doesn't behave the way we want to right away, and then boom, we are in. Okay, this stock went 50 to 75% today, so it made a huge move and it maintained that move. And it has so much more upside potential. And so TOP, I am telling you, TOP is the one. TOP is going to make you guys a lot of money tomorrow, okay? So if you guys get one stock, make that stock TOP. We need confirmation, okay? And if it goes to $18, then sell that stock like you don't, like no tomorrow. Like pretend like I never said any of those amazing things about TOP and sell it. But if it doesn't, if you can pick it up at about $19 to $20 and you see that it doesn't push below $18, then you guys are going to be rich off TOP, okay? You guys are going to make money on TOP. TOP is going to be your favorite name, and you are going to remember the Rocket Trading Channel because I told you about this stock, and I did the research, and I showed you the technical analysis necessary in order to make you guys as much money as possible. So right below the $25 level and at the $28 level as well. Those are the two profit targets, guys. Don't forget them. TOP is the one, okay? TOP is the one. That is my main play for tomorrow. That's the one I'm going to be focusing on, and that's the one you guys should be focusing on as well, okay? We have so many things in our favor with TOP. So if you want to make some money, if you know that the one thing that you need is to make a little bit more money, to multiply your income just a little bit, then you guys want to be buying some TOP and selling at the profit targets of $24.91 and $28.41, okay? Guys, do this for me because I'm telling you, TOP is the one. If it goes down $1, fine. You lose $1 a share. But if it goes up and you make $3 to $5 a share, you are going to be set. And if you can repeat that every time we have a really high conviction play like TOP, then you guys are going to make a lot of money. You guys can make a living off of trading stocks. And if I can give you that kind of financial freedom, if you can have that kind of financial freedom, how is that going to change your life? How much of a game changer is that going to be if you can start making your income from trading stocks? How much more free time are you going to have to do the things you love? Tell me, think about it, and then come back to me, and then comment in the comment section down below and tell me how you're going to trade TOP if TOP maintains. And use a stop loss, guys. I'm not a fortune teller. You are not a fortune teller. Unless you're Nancy Pelosi, you need a stop loss. So use a stop loss, but trade. Take the trade. Because if you take a high probability trades like the one I went over in this channel, then you are going to make money in the long run. So have an amazing day. Thank you for spending this time with me in the stock market. Like and subscribe to help our small channel grow, and have an amazing, amazing night. Hey guys, thanks for tuning into the channel. This has been 3 stocks that are most likely to go up tomorrow. I'm your host, John Coda. If you guys can do me a huge favor and tell one of your friends about these stocks, tell them about the channel, then I'll be extremely grateful because you will be adding to the community. You will be repaying me times 10 for the value that I try to give you on this channel, and I'll just be so grateful. So thanks for coming to the channel again. I do hope you guys, if you guys follow the trade plan, I can almost guarantee that you're going to make money. So please follow the trade plan. If you get stopped out, then so be it. Stop trading. But if you don't get stopped out, then the potential is huge. So do me a favor and keep trading, keep making your living, keep taking these high probability trades. And I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Have an awesome day.